Hey loves, welcome back again to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you my 9 easy, fast and fail-proof methods of wrapping moi moi. It gives this beautiful shape you can see. So let's get right into the video. So we'll be using this moi moi leaves, popularly called eweron in Yoruba land. Other tribes have the different names, they call this leaf. The first thing you need to do is to wash it, make sure it's clean, take away the stalks. You can get out the stalks by using the scissors like I just did. You're going to place it at the bottom of your pot as shown, and then you're going to bend the back and take off a little part. This makes it easy for you to fold. So this is the first method. You place your leaves on each other in a cross form like this. Now you fold to the left and fold to the right, flip to the back and tuck it, then you bend it as seen. Open up the space or the hole and pour in your moi moi batter. And once you've poured it in, you can either press it down or fold it. Okay, so folding it will give you this shape, and this is a very beautiful shape. The people who make eko, they use this shape also. So method number 2 is this. You place your moi moi leaves on each other, fold to the right and the left, tuck it to the back and bend it. Now you open up and pour in your moi moi batter. I used 1 cup in this video. Depending on how big your moi moi leaves are, you would measure it with a cup. But these moi moi leaves are not too small, so you can take 1 cup. And this is the outcome of the method number 2. So method number 3, just place your moi moi leaves on each other, fold to the right, left, flip to the back, flip left, right again, and tuck it at the back. You're going to have 2 sides facing each other. I love this method a lot. Open up, it gives you like the biggest volume you can get. Open up and pour your moi moi batter into it. Now you can push it down like this, or you fold right, left and fold down like I showed you earlier, but I'll be showing you the other method. So you push it down, tuck it in. This would prevent it from spilling. Fold right, left, use a finger to secure it and then fold it under. These are very easy methods I'm showing you. The next is you would cross your 2 moi moi leaves. Once you cross it like this, you fold right, left, tuck it at the back and bend it a little bit. Now you open up the space in the middle and pour in your batter. Then you fold to the right and the left. You can do it both ways. You can do it to the left, right, or right, left, or you push it down like I showed earlier and tuck it in from the left and the right. It still gives you this beautifully shaped moi moi. So the next one I'll be showing you is your leave side by side. I mean, just leave a little gap, but you're leaving it side by side, and you can do this in a cone shape as shown right now. You just keep rolling it to get you the cone shape. It's not one of my favorite methods, but for starters you can try this if it's easier for you. But when it comes to taking out the moi moi, I don't like the fact that I have to keep rolling and rolling before I get my moi moi out. I love the fastest methods where you just open 1-2 wraps and your moi moi is out and it's not distorted in any way, or the shape is intact. So you fold this and this is what you get. So this method, I'm using a very big leaf here. You can also use this method for the cone as I showed you earlier. Just keep wrapping it, you fold it under, pour in your batter, fold and bend. You can either do that, but for this method you need to make sure that your moi moi leaf is not torn at the side, middle or any parts. Just make sure that the moi moi leaf is not torn. or you do it this way and then you fold it. Open up the space, stir your moi moi mixture again and pour it into the hole. Now fold from right to the left. Make sure you're securing with a finger, then you bend. This is a very fast method also, but I like to double my moi moi leaves. For this method, place your moi moi leaves on each other. Fold to the left and the right. Tuck it at the back. Fold a little bit. Open up the space. Stir your moi moi mixture and pour in your butter. Now you can fold from the right to the left and secure with a finger and press down. It looks so pretty. So the next is you have your 2 moi moi leaves. You're going to cross this one again. Fold left. You can make it into a cone shape. This method can work as a cone shape, or you fold it left and right, but let's leave it as a cone shape now. So you can see where the other leaf inside is. You're going to pour in your butter into that hole inside. I love this methods I shared with you in this video because they don't waste your moi moi batters. I don't know if you've bought moi moi outside before and noticed that, you know, almost quarter of your moi moi has gone or is on the leaf and all of that. If you would like to see my moi moi recipe, commercial moi moi recipe, let me know in the comment section. So this method, you face your moi moi leaves, let them face each other, turn from the right to the left in a cone shape a bit, then tuck it at the back, fold it, open up the space and pour in your moi moi batter. So of all these methods, whichever one you find, you know, convenient, just try it out. Whichever one you prefer, stick to it. For moi moi leaves, practice makes perfect. So just keep on practicing and in no time you become a professional. Now if you have leaves that are torn, you don't have to toss them away. Just double it like this. You can use the cone shape for this method so you don't have any spillage or you don't have any wastage of your moi moi batter. Or you can fold it left to the right, tuck it in at the back, but make sure you check to be sure that the opening is, you know, covered. The other leaf is covering the opening. So open up, pour in your butter. After stirring, you have to always stir so that the salt doesn't settle down at the base of your moi moi batter. You can fold it the way I taught you to tuck it in to prevent it from pouring out, or you fold straight up, left, right, you know, cross it and tuck it at the back. You agree with me that all these methods are very easy to make if you practice them. And this is what the moi moi looks like after it was cooked. You can see how beautiful it looks. There's no wastage of moi moi on the leaves. Please kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. Let me know if you'd like to see my commercial moi moi recipe you can use for your family and friends also, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.